Have you ever wondered about the capabilities of the AN-32 aircraft used by the Indian Air Force? This aircraft, known as the AN-32, is a marvel of Soviet-origin military engineering, designed and manufactured by the Antonov Design Bureau of Ukraine. This robust aircraft was welcomed into the Indian Air Force's fleet in 1984, purchased from the now historical Soviet Union. The AN-32's NATO reporting name is Klein, a name that resonates with its strong and enduring presence in the skies. Today, the Indian Air Force boasts a fleet of around 100 AN-32 planes, each exemplifying the formidable power and precision of this aircraft. The AN-32 story is one of impressive longevity and remarkable performance, a testament to the enduring legacy of the Antonov Design Bureau's craftsmanship. Now that we have a brief understanding of what the AN-32 is, let's delve deeper into its features. The AN-32, a marvel of Soviet engineering, boasts a number of unique features. This military transport aircraft, designed and crafted by the Antonov Design Bureau, is truly one for the books. One of the standout features of the AN-32 is its ability to maneuver in a variety of challenging terrains and climates. Whether it's the dense tropics or the steep inclines of mountainous regions, this aircraft navigates with ease. Even in extreme heat, up to 55 degrees Celsius, the AN-32 maintains its performance, a testament to its robust design. Under the hood, the AN-32 is powered by two single-shaft turboprop engines. These powerhouses enable the aircraft to reach a maximum speed of 530 kilometers per hour. But it's not all about speed. The AN-32 also impresses with its endurance. With a cruising speed of 470 kilometers per hour, it can cover a range of 2,500 kilometers. The service ceiling? A staggering 9,500 meters. This is the kind of altitude where commercial airliners fly, and the AN-32 reaches it with a weight of around 16,800 kilograms. Its maximum takeoff weight is a robust 27,000 kilograms, making it a heavy-duty player in the world of aviation. But what's truly remarkable is the AN-32's ability to take off and land on rough airfields and dirt runways. This isn't a luxury that many aircraft can afford, but the AN-32, designed with such versatility, handles it with ease. Impressive, isn't it? But that's not all. The AN-32 has more to offer. The AN-32 is not just any aircraft, it's a versatile machine capable of performing a variety of roles. This is not an overstatement. The AN-32 is a true multitasker in the skies, a testament to the ingenuity of its designers at the Antonov Design Bureau. Let's start with its cargo capabilities. The AN-32 can transport as much as 7.5 tons of cargo over domestic and international air routes. This makes it an invaluable asset for logistical operations, be it transporting vital supplies to remote military bases or delivering humanitarian aid in times of crisis. But the AN-32 is more than just a cargo plane. It's also a people mover. It can comfortably carry 50 passengers, making it a reliable choice for transporting personnel across vast distances. The aircraft's cabin is designed with ample space for passengers to move around, ensuring a comfortable journey, even in the most challenging of conditions. The AN-32's versatility extends to its military applications as well. It can carry 42 paratroopers, ready to be deployed at a moment's notice. This makes the AN-32 a vital part of paratrooping operations, providing the Indian Air Force with the ability to swiftly respond to rapidly evolving situations on the ground. And in the face of emergencies, the AN-32 can serve as a flying ambulance. It can transport 24 patients and 3 medical crews, ensuring that those in need of urgent medical attention can reach hospitals as quickly as possible. This role of the AN-32 reflects its humanitarian side, demonstrating that it's not just a tool of war, but also a life-saving instrument of peace. Lastly, the AN-32 even has a limited bombing role. While it's not a dedicated bomber, it can be equipped with bombs if the situation calls for it, adding another layer to its versatility. Indeed, the AN-32 is a multi-purpose aircraft, proving to be a valuable asset for the Indian Air Force. With its multitude of roles, the AN-32 is truly a jack-of-all-trades in the world of aviation, a testament to the power of versatility in design. To wrap up our exploration of the AN-32 aircraft, let's take a quick walk down memory lane. Introduced in the year 1984, this Soviet-origin military transport aircraft has been a steadfast companion of the Indian Air Force. The Antonov Design Bureau of Ukraine, its birthplace, has indeed created a machine of stellar capabilities. This wonder of the skies, known as Klein in NATO parlance, is a master of maneuverability. Whether it be the heat of the tropics or the harsh conditions of mountainous terrains, the AN-32 stands tall and unyielding. Its ability to operate in up to 55 degrees Celsius testifies to its remarkable resilience. Equipped with 2 single-shaft turboprop engines, the AN-32 is no slouch in the speed department either. With a maximum speed of 530 kilometers per hour and a cruise speed of 470 kilometers per hour, this aircraft can get where it needs to be, and fast. But the AN-32 isn't just about speed. Its range and service ceiling stand at 2,500 kilometers and 9,500 meters respectively, making it a long-distance runner in the world of aviation. The AN-32 is a heavyweight in all senses of the word. Weighing in at 16,800 kilograms and with a maximum takeoff weight of 27,000 kilograms, it can take off and land on rough airfields and dirt runways, a testament to its ruggedness. In terms of versatility, the AN-32 takes the cake. It can transport 7.5 tons of cargo, 50 passengers, 42 paratroopers or 24 patients, and 3 medical crews. It even has a limited bombing role and is used for paratrooping operations. So next time you see this bird soaring in the sky, remember the remarkable engineering and versatility it brings to the Indian Air Force.